Ngatho na nchone kiewe muthikiria nontu bwako na kanya kwatanira batu kintheto cia weru tha mwanja mbeto awini wa King'ero. Tukiambiriria ni ati seneta wa kaunti ya Embu Alexander Munyimudigi na ritete mukana kiatongeria bangi iguru regie kunjia siasa china ngaukano na domena akiwa moroto ya kaunti ya Embu ni otira kwina thiri bokendo otira kwina miradi ya weti na mbere aritie ya nyuma ya mubunge wa Mukurweni kwithira kithukirwa akirwa kwaria siasa kanisene onto burabu kwithira bukiringanithwa na kwithira bupanganitwe ngavana wa kaunti ya Embu Cecily Mbarire.
Seneta wa kaunti ya Embu niwe Alexander Mondigi ni uraruta mavitia mbunge wa Mukurweni niwe John Kagushia ni undu wa kuruta ndugamano thiini wa kanitha wa Nisan Jumapili Nthiru. Akiuga kaunti ya Embu ni athayo na urumwe na ugo gukomithia uteti wa migao na mbara.
Na ria kwa kinye Kagushia etwa no ambie kwa riovora politics na vau ni vathia mbararitia akiambia kuga uria mwesimu amukomenie kire mavitia riu andu security ni onire no athie out of protocol out of topic na gituika wa gutuika andu marakarire na makithi varia kuko ngwera kuga arauga ati ni andu account mandikitwe ni nguns but ni andu security mare mamucunie mathiire varia nigetha marigiririe ndakathi na mbere no ati ningo makamuno akiuga ati ni governor wa wendaga kuthuma ati ona thina Kagushia ni ngwera kuririkania na ari varia nyingirigiria andu aria a security matia ukuvirie na bishop wa Nisa uria current no voro kumakania ugikara bakuve na governor nikyo uga jameni tutige maundu mengi tukie kanithari nigia tuvoe kwa mwera ko yatirika Kagushia Embu tenyere agikono kwenda kwaria yukari ende cia kuna kunyere yucokeri mutaikaiga tigana na ngavana wa Embu County.
Jumapili Kagushia ni watwikire wa kwaririria uteti thiini wa kanitha uyu wa Nisa no ati undu uria utoso wega ni etikia amwe na baria atwikire wa gucunwa kamemekia vinya ni andu amwe
rithathi na araugire ahurwo rithathi muthigari umwe akahura andu 10 rithathi na arauga ni powers kana instructions from above. Hiyo mambo sisi tunataka kukemea kabisa. Na mimi nataka kusema hivi na mnisikize vizuri sana. Mimi kama mbunge wa Mukurweni pamoja na mbunge wenu Mukuji na pia mjumbe wetu Karemba, sisi tunaenda kuleta mjadala. Tunaenda kuleta mjadala ya kumtoa Murkomen katika kiti.
Na Valeru Kagushia egwisekanite akiariria kamemere kamwe akiuga ati governor Mbarire niwe watumikirie ni anake acio mamukirie kia vinya
iria irokire ndari uhoro ucio ndauga no nginyagia turute mundu gwitwo Murkomen gitiini ni tondu wa kuga ciana ciuragwo na ni tondu wa iria ciothe ciuragitwo aratuma anakeri makoro mari enforcement officers a county government ya Embu umwe wetagwo Elias Muthomi na kio cio getagwo Dennis Kenyua anake aciere maroka maradunya microphone na anake aciere makoragwo mandikirwo mari enforcement officers no nio head goons cia kuria Embu riro raigwa manda mono magikwo keigua nyumba ni irathi kubunjwo na maundu ta macio ici goons ni cio ithiaga kuruta wira uguo riu Karinda kiria akoragwo ekirite goons ni wa thirikari yake agakorwo akimariha mushara nigetha riu makarutaga wira tocio.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu Mbitagwarita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Tugitambere ni ati DCC wa sub-county ya Mutwati Sylvester Mwangulu ari wa gishiko kiu mwankanende gitaithira gikigunikana irio bia uteithio kumakithirikari kulingana nweni atiribe musanda no bithebie pia okuni muno kiaritwa ibokendo tiri bakwithira bakiria sukuru muno sukuru ratiankene na kaunti ya Isiolo.
Nataka watu wetu wachukue hiyo nafasi kwa kupata ujuzi.
Na moroto juo tigira anto obaingi bakwigwatira mahote ya mwanya ni kenda baetethia namo Sylvester Mwangulu rane DCC ewantere echa Mutwati aliuga
Principal Secretary wetu PS akiungana na PS wa technical training ametuagiza tufanye kurudisha kutoa watoto wote wanafunzi wote wale wanafaa kuwa college sababu 100% transition ni mwito wa serikali yetu. Wale watu tunataka kuona watoto kule naitwa Ndubetwe kule Mbegetoni kule Ajalu kule Kashuru kule Mbulu hatutaki kuona wanafunzi wote ambao wanafaa kwa college wakikaa kwa masoko. wakienda kwa kusema na wanabiashara miraa, hatutaki hiyo, nataka wote waende training.
Amwe no guta subcounty ya Mutuate aliwa kwina thina nontu kinya bairutaniria gucokia aritwa a cukuru na bathina mbere na kwithirwa ba cukuru igukuma muno nontu igita ria thirikari kunenkanira abia kuri abia musanda subcounty ino tiona nkagirwa ogwa kiromba thirikari ruthebwempo igutigira ni kwanjire kunenkera Mutuate bia kuria.
Tuko na familia mingi ambayo ni single families, watoto wale mayatima, na tumerudisha mashule. Kushirikisha mashule hawana chakula ya kula, na sisi kama Mutuate, tutasema kama mkuu wa wilaya ya Mutuate, sisi hatupati msaada ya serikali saa hii. Ile government kutoka special programs. Tumeandika barua kwenda serikali kuu, tutafutiwa msaada kusaidia mashule, ile inaitwa school feeding program. Watoto wakule lunch ndio wakae shule. Iko jamii nyingi ukienda kwa mashule, wale watoto tunarudisha shule wanatoroka tena, hawana kitu ya kula. Na hiyo ndio imechangia pia ile vita ya mboma ya nyumbani, sababu hawana mahali ya kulala, hawana mahali ya kula. So naomba tuomba serikali iharakishe hiyo msaada, tupewe mgao wetu. Hii mwezi imepita sub county zote Sameru zilipata msaada ya chakula, ni Mutuate tumejaje kupata. So naomba hata viongozi wetu waangalie hiyo, tupate hii chakula.
Aliuga musanda ojoka aja gwethero wega kiguni ikinene kinya kiri mabitha aba NPR.
Pia tukipata chakula ndio tutasaidia naye NPR. Hawana kitu ya kula, mshahara wao ni kidogo. Tunatarajia wahudumia wananchi na wana chakula, msaada ile tunapata ya chakula yao ile na wanajibudu kukanja kwani huko wakilinda wananchi.
Kuma Mutuate Gembe North, Peter Nicholas, Chabare.
Tugita mbere ni ati mbeo mithemba ile Wanjiku Thiga na Peter Kinyanjui ya watimba rubani ni baki ya makiora wari munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua kiama kia DCP barabara ya wikirwa mpine bakiringanithwa na maandamano ya kiumia kithiru bageta mbere na kuria rumande mwanka ntuku ya Jumaa kumania ne tuaria koti tia Kiambu na inya koti ya Ruiru.
The application at paragraph 1 the affidavit by the investigating officer in paragraphs 10 of the affidavit in support, offenses that were taking place at the same time, the accused person is projected to have been all over. Your Honor must take that with a pinch of salt. That even Superman would have had difficulty to commit all these offenses contemporaneously. But it is to make him look as a criminal, a person responsible for offenses that were committed by person captured on video and who have not been arrested to date.
As provided for under paragraph 4.26A of the bail bond policy guidelines. We do not need to have attached the investigation diary as has been alleged. We therefore pray that the order sought be granted, having proved the conditions placed under the Criminal Procedure Code. We so pray.
Let us listen. So, let me know if this suffices. In the first instance, and just for the avoidance of doubt, I've given directions that the respondent will be detained at Ruiru Police Station at the Ruiru Police Station until the 4th of July 2025. And secondly, that the ODPP will facilitate the provision of an inventory of all the items that were taken from the respondent at the time of arrest. And then lastly, the OCPD, together with the OCS Ruiru Police Station, to ensure and guarantee the well-being and safety of the respondent pending the ruling on the 4th of July 2025.
Today we were here because they wanted to, they have brought an application that they want to hold Mr. Kinyanjui, who appears to be the youth leader of Kiambu County representing the DCP party. They wanted to hold him for, 21 days, but we have made an application that the same should be dismissed. But the most worrying thing is that the allegations being made that one individual, Mr. Kinyanjui, was able to raid on a police station in Dagoretti. And you know, the most important thing is that to notice that they're also saying they want to review the CCTV in respect to that particular police station. So the question is, if the police station was ran down and it was burnt down, where will they retrieve these CCTVs from? We have also put the question why the police officers who are manning or who are on duty on that particular day when that alleged offense occurred, why have they not been arrested?
Tugitambire ni ati mbeo mbithiba kuma giciko bunge gia Tigania West baishumiritio tariria kuria kwanirwo kwo kumania na mutaratara yura yoethire yetumirwa kiuyukania bwa mubango ywa kazi mtaani.
Amwe ba mbeo mbithi kuma ntere mwanya mwasi giciko bunge gia Tigania West ithebumirite kumeneria mutaratara wa mbere kuyo gwitumika ntugo cerorwa kiri kuthura ana baba karuta ngui kiri kazi mtaani na araba kuwi kwa na kimenyano kinene kagita kara mutaratara wa mbete kuyo kiro na mbere kienini kia uru ntere wenu cha Tigania West.
Tuna concerns nyingi especially racha thithira cha kazi mtaani on Monday kwa arena recruitment ya kazi mtaani after applications kwa the application online. But when we were called here, we were sent the message, itwaire na twaya Oro Stadium. We found the process area to make it to choose the numbers that were chosen. Ora, the process was done in an unjust and an unfair manner. The process was very bogus. There was a merit or anything. Yaire tu ya kirindi twadhura yes na no na kware na commotion from other words other locations ikware na corruptions
kwina mtoyere yes na chuno yes chibo akawate umenya na idea kiere onania umete Tigania West the same constituency na the same village era chibo waro amirete lakini chibo ato umenya ende batu birato kwareria corruption era ya apenere na kirato koromba neti kethurano kiu kichokero upya the entire process ya cancelled.
Process era batumere koyukania yari process yes or no kwandikira antu mana ile yes or no ba ya kuchala au andikite yes inya na 196 chedra chenos and then people are rushing there mtu akumbata ikundi chu aita wichuriria yes yege edretyo atatu batu tewetekania kintu kiu utino kwandiki kepoto ya climate works that we should be called in a stadium like this one spending our fares from all the way from Isiolo na kamarima na are oro to yao then wache ngoe wana tumirite girie kukangiria mana tano mbia ira we preserve na watumira njira ingi
inara kagitani wako bombete kuiwe kinyana mbera ya umbire kuiwe kithurwa na baraba karuta ngwe kazi mtaani eno na baka imono kiringithanwa na baraba tari na ngugi ntere inu cha Tigania West
kenine dio atwerere arithura anto 175 na after the election was done na itari fair bado itona chiefs bakeya bakaringira anto bakauma mochie na baraba kwethete kenine batathuriro Tigania West kwa 175 itafa compared to the population na compared to Antobara ba Tigania West
namba ira tombere kwa wa Tigania West ira to announce ro kenine as 175 kulingana na namba ira to nyo ya youth ndene Tiania and then the population unemployment rate ndikona yaka namba wetaniria pio na kuthira to 175 eu tairwa edra ke 175 no Antobara ba ina disability the PWD edra no bakaithira ba umete we were not briefed on kila kikaendelea actually kiongwa imbibio ngobi kaendelea kumau na orenge ke orenge onamba tukauria kwethra ke supervisor bara tubate kwethra tuna bo wethra bakaumo ke namba we were not briefed about that na qualification check supervisors ba chirethra irire ko tutikumia mantu yo ya
inara kumania na muthuro uyu ndi bombite kuyo bakiandika memorandum na kwira maobici mwanya mama batirite na araba kwenda kithurano ikiumba kwa giteyanagirwa na kuthuchanwa kairi na araba kuga gwa kwithirwa etiteyanirwa bakathi na mbere na kurira haki yao mwankarira bakamiona.
But to present our grievances through a memorandum to me address to the relevant offices, Obichia DCC, Obichia County Commissioner, and all the political offices. Atokwenda kuwa Batwe and the Kana youth, but Tigania West, we are very aggrieved to work with the lack of criteria, which is very essential and to a very just and fair process ila tutumika uchalantu baba kaitha bakibuze kengwecha kazi mtaani
ito kuria kichokerwa kuma mwanjiririo mwanka mwicho kenda tondira to satisfied about it, or we will continue pressing and rejecting mwankare abakarwa mana uma onto twiro amira uma mwanka mwicho.
Bajo turenda recruitment ithwa afresh na ithwa in a very just manner, because kwena chibo baita anto even after recruitment na bandika anto even immediately even after twadhiria recruitment ya era ya rea oro na anto bandikwa anto batare inyake oro stadium tukwira.
Ki reporter anto cia weru kuma Ntere Chatiania mbita wa John Nthiga.
Kathusha mwanya muno kiwe John Nthiga na kiwe mutegeri kwithira witite ambere na kurumira ndeto cia weru tha mwanja ugeta kureito shokirete na ndeto nkoloki.
Dial *811*465# to get Colossians 3 verse 15 as your skiza tune.
Colossians chapter 3 verse 15. And let the peace of Christ be ruling in your hearts, as it was the purpose of God for you to be one body and give praise to God at all times. Let the word of Christ be in you in all words of wisdom, teaching and helping one another with songs of praise and holy words, making melody to God with grace in your hearts. Amen.
Dial *811*465# to get Colossians 3 verse 15 as your skiza tune.
Peke kabeja na kamutu wake
kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice siri ne mutujo nice extra premium
mutindi nyenye na kamusere
inyaju twenaju jwambishori kuma nice rice millers moya
moguri wa kinyandu kene etia motujwa nice extra premium nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo muthongi na nikwetaga ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio shabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watwekawe na kioria yende kithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729661667 kana 0755200197.
Ti nice na nice extra premium.
Je, unatafuta hoteli tulivu ya kifahari na ya kisasa ambapo unaweza kufurahia likizo pamoja na familia au marafiki? Basi karibu Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa. Tunapatikana katika barabara kuu ya kutoka Meru kuelekea Isiolo, karibu na maili 7, takriban kilomita 11 kutoka mji wa Isiolo. Utapata uwanja mzuri na mpana unaoweza kutoshea hadi watu 5,000 kwa hafla zozote za nje kama vile harusi na mikutano. Vyumba vya mikutano vya kisasa vilivyo na projector na vyenye mtandao wa haraka, kumbi nzuri za hafla kama vile sherehe za siku ya kuzaliwa, sehemu za burudani za nje kama vile nature walk trails, ziplining, swimming pool, flying bridge, camping, bonfire na mahali pa watoto pa kuchezea. Kisimani Organic Farm, ambapo utafundishwa kuhusu ukulima wa kisasa na salama wa mimea na mifugo, nyuki, samaki na ndege wa aina mbalimbali, vyumba vya kulala vya kisasa na vya kifahari na vyakula vya aina zote. Kwa wale walio na mikutano au makongamano, kuna chai na vitafunio, chakula cha mchana, chai ya alasiri na mtandao wa haraka. Kwa habari zaidi, tembelea tovuti yetu www.kisimaniresort.com au tupigie simu kwa nambari 0742 205 295 au 0733 570 530. Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa Limited blends nature with modern hospitality.
My fans, the FIFA Club World Cup is live on SuperSport. Goats like Messi, Mbappe, and Haaland are in. Fans and fanatics from every continent are in. 32 of the biggest teams in the world are in. Every goal, every save, every moment of skill. All 63 games. Live. Reconnect now and enjoy an upgrade on us for more content. We've got you. T's and C's apply. Offer valid from 16th June to 31st July.
Gakwato ageni orengi na nkatho cia mwanya muno no ntuba kwithira witite ambere na kurumira ndeto cia weru tha mwanja twicokirania ati kwa kaita timu cia mubira kaunti ya Meru ichiithiritwe ikirumirwo imathina nkaboyarani amwe na wachiolwa miribobwea wagibwa kigina na inya mathaga yetumi na nkuloki mawira ne kumakia tongeria na inya thirikari jara mwankanendi ataomba kwithira yekinyanilwa amwabo Meru ina umbani bone ni arankulokia timu na yathatu ithirite ichiandikithia gukionekana ligi mwanya cia kweria ukirie yewa bianthuki mbithi kiura kinene ire imbieto maila pia mubira piene gweta bikathire nyuma ya kaita gakai mwandiki wetu wa ndeto na thujite bioria biki riboti ya mwanya ya muchetho michethone na kigicunje kia biele kia riboti ya mwanya.
Kirintu kijiri kirogono tora mwanya mucetho ne titigara timu imwe ira chera jande na kaunti ya Meru na chiomba kwithura chiigwa gitumi ni kwagia mbeca.
Wacha niseme mambo ya timu Mtindu wa Bombas kwanza. Tulikuwa tukicheza division 2. Nikikumbuka vizuri tulikuwa tunatumia tukiwa tunaenda away game za Ukambani, tunaenda kucheza Saturday na Sunday, tulikuwa tunatumia ikiwa kidogo sana ni 63,000. Hiyo hakuna hata allowance ya maplayers juu tu kuwa na namna, so hatungeweza kupeana players allowance. Hiyo tu ni malazi venye watakula na venye tutalipa referee, na aswa shida yenye tulikuwa nayo sana ilikuwa ni transport.
Ujunandi ni uma urorungamirite Meru Bombas ile arinkathia guru na muthiene yethwe kigwa na kyote kingi
tuweze kumaliza timu kabisa. Tulikuwa tunacheza game ya mwisho tukicheza Embu. Si kwa nimelipa gari, tulikuwa sasa nimezoeana na wenye gari, tunaenda na walipa tu, nikiwa na shuka ndio nawapea pesa juu hata hiyo pesa nilikuwa naomba kwa watu tu, niko kwa game lakini naomba pesa. So mara ya mwisho nilifika mahali tunashuka nisikuwa na pesa, ilibidi hata nipeane nguo za team na mipira ndio ishikilie upande wa transport, lakini nilimwahidi nikiweza kupata pesa nitakuwa namlipa pole mpaka nichukue nguo zetu, na hivyo ndio nilifanya. Ilikuwa ni 15,000, nikalipa 5,500 mara 3, nikaweza kuchukua nguo set 2 na zilikuwa mipira 2. So hivyo ndio niliona nimewezwa sasa, na singeenda beyond hiyo, niendelee na team tena, niwe na kaa nikiteseka na hakuna mtu anasaidia. Saa hizo nimebisha milango zote, mpaka wengine akiona unakuja anaambia wafanyikazi wake ama sekretari wake mwambie siko. So sikutaka iende zaidi hapo, na hiyo ndio ilifanya Meru Mtindu wa Bombas tukaweza kuwezwa.
Obaire ni Bishop Buria ura wambĩtie kamba kia Christian Center FC na wakiuga ona kinya kitha kirabu giki gitagure nonto bwa mbeca morto jwawe jwarejo kuonania ati mubirano jukire ndene kaunti ya Meru.
And I think which was a driving passion ya kwa nene muno ni kwambire kuthugania atiri antu babethi na tatumba ni kuba side track kumane na social evils. Okay, it with abuse of substance, drugs, sex itina maana and the like. Ndrona football ni kumba ku attract generation you. The first time in the history of Meru Kambaga Christian Center Football Club niyo ya mbere kureta an international match. Turaleta team kuma UK kuja kucheza Kinoruaja stadium.
A miracle in the village.
Yes.
It's Yara Club. What happened to KCC?
Okay. Ora wakarikira KCC was very, very simple. KCC is Kambakia Christian Center Football Club. Yetagwa KCC FC. Na tumeamberia tromba go showcase ontobomona bana watu mampenda kwani antu okay mantu ndagweta that kinya kanisa no come up na njira yeu ya sports na ega support ega sponsor na tukathithia mantu rangwetere mantu ya manene. Anyway, coming back, what happened? I think we itombere ku succeed kile objective yetu. In the first place tukuthithia football club, humanity na kanisa, tukumenenkara good management, kuma district, egota province, na egota Monka national. So we achieved our purpose. We sponsored it, tome sponsor twingwa, nontubonda watamantu ya management njaga, na ndikira ya karikire, turaigwa tukumbo succeed musimu jou, kumba kuthithia kila tukwenda kuthithia.
Kulingana Bishop Buria, urakagita kamwe, alimweki kigina wa Mafuko Bombas auga thine mbere ira yario na andu bara bamirungamirite kagita kau bamirija na ntere cionthe mwanka cethi pakagia nombi.
So nkurukira uni mbijirende ya kuelewa aja kuna kateli ikurea mbecha ana baba tikinyurichio kuma kiri KFF igachoka geta kiri the management of the club. Unfortunately anabarea na baba kadhonya bongo batina discipline twistoka ukethra mubira kaju kwinyangika riojo by KFF itari city chao tukathomithia umati tukabeta kovera bora kuona muurjo treasurer uni tigetiwe tibui and we managed na nkero we etakanisa ne we eje gold mine ndo ambe ande ya kuinterfere nai no kora bwao na karikana because we succeeded ntunda na very good team. Mafuko Bombas barabara officials babega muno na ndire mboneria how to be able to beat these cartels na betekeria nkarika na kwena match ya chedero Kinoruaja yari enjaga muno gatikata na Kameru football Mafuko Bombas na Gor Mahia. That was historical during those time. Turona nkurukie ngiri ngiri 86 and that was historical nonto mchezo ya chedagwa nuntu mbeche chetre kire mebuko ya arume na aka unfortunately timu igatigurwa gintu timba gwitikia
gitumi gikinandi bakuga kinyama cindano ja maingi jabetika na Safaricom na timu mwanya kutho icindite na ndi kwambitiko na timu iji ikiambia kugwa nontu bwa mbeca na kintu gikinandi niko kiuta kiariritwe kiarungamiri ba timu iji nikenda bagwata umenyo
kumbo trima na turi amwe so rombara kwa ndiromba mbuge ibatiga muchetho ne baraba bakoreta kinya ora tukuonyetha tukuga muchetho ne as in betika na whatever imbuge kinya baba guto managers committees na nya chethi tigeni muchetho ne we batiga muchetho ne utigi ntukinge kithongi cha kumenyera football no ntuikareta families amwe igatuma mukuru ure okwenda gwita kuringa kara kageta wakabiko eta wakauka mogwe arikane aro kuna mubira ambitanga jukie mwekuru anjokie mwekuru na tona tukone mubira jo muthongi
amana jajo nandi kirimberero ruju kitunjike muthia tuketha no tongeria mona bathirikari county nikenda kumnyimbo bango juko bena ju kutigira ati mubira jojo jokutha jugukira nkuruki na kinyana barabo cetha bakutha bakigunika.
Tugita na mbere ni ati Minister wa Michetho na mbeo mbithi thirikari-ini ya kaunti ya Meru Noe Elias Murega anainyeletie bate ya maskuru kwithira bagio kieria iyewa piana kiaria skuru-ni ya Nkobohai kaita kamithako ya mubira yo mauru yo skuru cha sekondari. Murega ario wa kumenya na gukirie wa kubatire kwithira gukiambiriria ndene ya skuru kaitene kaunethirite akiari twa wirigirwo ati inyarira bethira bakiomirwa imathomo abamenye ati batibatere kwa nkorono ntuye wa inyabibyo bata kwithira bagio kieria mautoro yo.
I know talent are not developed outside the school. Zinaanzia hapa mashinani ambapo ni kwa mashule. So tumekuja hapa ili tuwaonyeshe ya kwamba tuna imani ya kujenga michezo na pia kuhakikisha ya kwamba tume develop talent wherever it is needed. Tumeona area zingine, tumeona county zingine au football au other sport district zimekuwa zikisaidika, lakini hapa Meru we have not developed the culture of sportsmanship, and that's the reason why we are here. As I conclude, I want to give hope to the students, because in as much as maybe you may think you are not doing very well in academic, also curriculum activities zinasaidia na zinaripa. Mimi naweza waambia na walimu wako hapa, I've also been teaching sometimes back, naweza waambia pesa ile mpira imeniletea hata masomo imeniletea. I'm a person with more than 4 degrees, but I've always been paid more kwa sport kuliko hata kwa masomo. Sisemi masomo ni mbaya, but naambia wanafunzi talent is paid, and part of our leadership is how do you monetize talent ndio muweze kujivunia.
Yeah, in Kenya and in the whole world, and waba ni some good money. Most of them are through talents. That is either volleyball, football. We have a number of players like Cristiano Ronaldo. Those are billionaires. Simply Michezo.
Because the governor, through the office of the sports and culture, tumbo pati na kulukike Michezo hii, non to itu kwenda facilitation nyingi muno kana utethi mwingi muno twanjirite uniform ukakomba kwa wa uniform nyecha Meru County yothe kenda tuita guchetha Michezo region tukaitha tuitirite uniform Meru County. We will be the brand ambassadors for Meru County, na bora tukaendelea mbere tuitite no buna tukaendelea kathia county yetu.
As a county government, for many years maybe batethrobe partner na secondary schools, lakini through leadership ya Governor Mutuma tutetherike and tuweza go support in a small way to build for future. Tuabaretera mevira some balls, both volleyball na maybe na also football, also uniform kit kuma stockings with a short jersey, na beyond the ikenda twethirwa twino rumwagi kwambiria ku build relationship ira tukwenda in the near future. Also the county government ikethirwa investor ku partner na secondary school na inya primary schools za moroto zimwezo kulia ye waza Meru County.
Kathashe mwanya munono ntuboko na kanya kwatana abadu kende tochia weru tha mwanja ntukweru aringa kwendera kaita kia na ntukuinjia yoyoreta rimwe pia murunku mwene nyoni betu awini wa Kinyero.